Today I'm in my long distance relationship, but I had to make a 9-hour drive. First I had to beat on my chest like Kevin Gates, and I hopped out the shower and put on some new clothes. I FaceTimed her and let her know that I was on the way. But while I put my gas, a new YouTube vid is up and all the OG tickets are dead gone. It's at 80K. It was posted 2 days ago, so you gotta get right. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and watch that. It was tough. 4 hours later, I was halfway there in Louisiana, but I had to get gas and it was sketchy as hell. Shit boof as hell. It making me pay inside, bro. I don't want to walk in there, dude. It was a stud at the register. It was a black stud, and there was blasted Rick Ross, so I think I'm safe. So I filled up the tank and got ready for the rest of the drive. It was almost 12 and she was super happy I made it in time before her birthday. I ain't gonna lie, she just stepped out the room. I'm instantly rocked, bro. If you're not necessarily rock around your girl, something wrong, gang. She helped fix me a plate because I ain't eat all day, and we hit the road the next morning. She was sleeping too good, and we stopped by the gas station and got her some food. It was late, but we made it back to the crib, and then we had to celebrate.
I hope so.
Okay.